Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jeevan from Code Android. In this video, we shall see how to make custom buttons, that is adding our own colors and shape to the button. Now we shall see how to make that. Start a new Android Studio project, select empty activity, then name the application as custom button and now click finish. Now we shall see how the basic button looks in our Android Studio. Add button and make the layout as linear layout. And name the button as custom button. And this is our basic button which looks in our layout. Now we shall see how to make custom buttons. Go to app, new, select Android resource file and make it as drawable and name it as button design. Click OK and instead of selector, make it as shape. And like gradient, let the angle be 45 degree. Then choose the start color and the end color. For choosing the colors, go to values, colors and select any one of the color, copy, paste it here. Now you get the color up to 45 degree at the gradient. Now again choose one more color and copy that color code and paste it for end color. Now we shall make that basic button to our custom button. Just add background and add drawable, select. Now we have successfully added our own color for the button. Now we shall see how to make a round button or the whatever the shape we want for the button. Go to button design.xml and type corner. Now add radiuses for the corners. Select and give it as 90 dp. For left, give it as 10 dp. For top left radius, give 90 dp, and for top right radius, give it as 10 dp. Now we will see how our button looks like. See, that's beautiful. Copy that button and paste it several times. Okay, add orientation for it, vertical, and give padding size as 10 dp and add layout margin 10 dp and do the same for all the buttons. See how nice the layout looks like with the custom button which we have added our own shapes and color. And if you want still more rounded edges, make increase the size of the radius. And this is all about this video. In this video, we have learned how to make our own custom buttons, that is adding our own colors and shapes for the buttons. Thank you. This is Jeevan from Code Android.